What's going on, guys? Congratulations on finishing this section. I'm excited for you because this is an important and very hard to understand section. So if you've gone through it and you have a good understanding, congratulations on that. I'm really proud of you, and I'm proud of you for making it this far, because not many people actually follow up when they purchase a course to learn a new subject. So it's really amazing that you've actually followed up this far and learned about object-oriented programming, because object-oriented programming is a huge part of the Python, and if you are familiar with it at least a little bit right now, you are doing amazing and you're becoming a good programmer. So I just wanted to point out something really important that I've mentioned before, and that is, remember, the key to becoming a good programmer is actually practicing and putting it to use. So keep in mind that, if you've done all the practices so far and you feel like you have a better understanding, the best way to become a better programmer is to actually put it to more practice. So go online and search for more practices that you can actually do with object-oriented programming practices to really improve your skills and make yourself better at this. So remember, the difference between a good programmer and a not very skilled programmer is the good ones always keep using their skills and practice. So remember, that's the key to success when it comes to programming. No one's born with that ability to learn and become a good programmer quickly. It's all about practice. So let me know if you have any questions, guys. And one of the things I recommend is that if you feel like you still haven't understand the section very well, if you're not very familiar with object-oriented programming, go back again and learn everything. It's really important for you to become sufficient with object-oriented programming, because moving forward, we're going to be using these things really heavily in everything that we're going to be doing. So it's important to remember, it's important to understand all this stuff that we talked about. Let me know if you have any questions. You can always contact me with any questions you have, and I'll see you in the next section.